Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread in a pan. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 and 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, and 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect aroma and taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to mixing. Start by mashing your 3 to 4 ripe bananas in a large bowl until they are mostly smooth with a few small lumps for texture. In a separate bowl, cream together the 1/2 cup of melted butter and 3/4 of a cup of sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in the 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gently fold the 1 and 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt into the wet ingredients until just combined, being careful not to overmix. With your batter ready, it's time to prepare your pan for baking. Generously grease and flour a standard 9 by 5-inch loaf pan to prevent sticking. This ensures your banana bread will release easily after baking. Carefully pour the delicious batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, indicating perfect doneness. Once your banana bread is golden brown and baked to perfection, the waiting game begins. Let it cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the bread to set and prevents it from breaking when removed. After 10 minutes, carefully invert the pan to release the loaf onto a wire rack. Allow it to cool completely for at least 1 hour before slicing. This patience ensures a perfectly moist texture and prevents crumbling. Now, slice and savor your delicious homemade banana bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.